So now let's see how we can add students in our classroom inside of Autodesk Tinkercad. So in order to do that, first of all, I'm going to go to classes, and then over here you can see that there's a class that we made in our previous lesson. So I'm going to click on this one, and then here you can see that you have option to add in students. So I'm going to click on add students, and then what you can do is you got the area where you can type in the student name. So I'm going to say Robert Bert right here. And then there's the nickname that is generated, and what you can also do is you can change out the nickname to what you like over here as well if you want to. And then if you were to click on save changes, then the student is actually added in, as you can see. So now if I want to add in a bunch of students, like let's say for example you have a list, then you can click on add students, and then you can, let's say for example, just click on paste a list of students. So here I'm going to say Roberto Sam right here. Maybe I want to add in Sammy Bert right here. So Bertie Bert right here. Alright, so I'm just going to add in these random names. And then what you can also do is you can click on add 3 students at the same time. So it detected as per the line that these are 3 students. So I'm going to click on add 3 students, and what happens is that it's added as 3 students, as you can see. And then now the other person, that is the students, will be able to access the account if you give them the class code. So you have to give them the specific username so that they can log in using the username that you generated. And then what you can also do is you have to provide them with this code or this link right here, so that they have to do it. So the students, what they have to do is, if they have a class link, they have to go to this URL right here and then enter the nickname that the teacher actually assigned them. And you can also have the class code. They have to go to join class and then enter the code. So this is something that we're going to see in further lessons. And that is how you can add students and then manage students. You can go around and then go on to menu, delete the student if you don't like. Let's say for example you want to delete out this student. You simply click on delete student and the student is deleted. So that is how you can work around with adding students inside of Autodesk Tinkercad. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.